Anong oras na, oh? Anong oras dapat simula?
Pia, tagal.
Alas 3.
Ako nag-iintay
You wanna throw lines? You wanna throw lines?
Ronaldo ka.
Nung nasa kay Tagal ako, wala naman talaga silang chemistry. Parang, and pinag-uusapan nila to sa mga interview sila. Kasi it took them a couple of years before they became friends. So, nagkaroon ako ng belief na chemistry can be manufactured. If you have a great director, if you have really great material, and you have two great actors with great instincts, you can make it work. That was my belief then. But working with them now as a director, I suppose I have had the chance to compare. Meron silang na sparkle sa screen. Meron silang something na nakikita mo na hindi mo talaga ma-define. I'm very lucky that I was given the two of them for the show. Certainly privileged that I have this talent to work with. But it's extra special kasi pag pinagmamasdan ko sila, naaalala ko kung paano sila nagsimula.
May nag-offer ngayon ng hand cream yung matanda. Sabi niya, hand cream Bea. Akala ko nang binibigay sa akin yung buo. Kasi parang so sabi ko kay Ate Rose bag. Oh my God! Sabi ni Lloydie, hindi binibigay sa yung buo. Binibigay. Inaano?
Tara, dali. Yung matanda.
Okay, 3 minutes to the pass.
Sige.
You can check it out. The nearest CR is dun sa
Bang may camera dyan, para
Ang pinag-uusapan ay weather. Okay, Kuya Kim, Kuya John Lloyd.
Weather.
Ang tanong, bakit unpredictable ang weather sa Tropical Convergence?
Kasi yung
Okay lang po,
intertropical convergence. Ano yan eh?
Palibati lang po sa
Parang mabilis. Hindi mo
Thank you.
Lagi may ITCC. ITCC eh.
Parang mukha na niya. Ayan, diba? Cute.
mas may extra amazement. Dahil nakita ko kung paano sila nag-start. It's a fondness. I'm very fond of the two of them.
Hindi kasha eh.
Hoy, sige, palitin tayo ng mukha. Palitan tayo ng mukha. Liga dito.
Eh, chiseled ako eh. Chiseled ako eh. Chiseled sa shisha.
They're intelligent actors and I'm very proud of them in a very real sense. I'm very proud of what they've accomplished.